the king of AI music has some serious competition. Producer AI just dropped its new Google powered model and it's doing things Suno simply can't. Is it better? Well, if you want control, fidelity, and ability to actually produce a track rather than just generate one, the answer is yes. And today I'm giving you a full beginner's tutorial for Producer AI, from navigating the new interface to commanding your AI agent. Let's get into it. Let's start off by going to producer.ai and creating an account if you don't already have one. I'm going to click on this login button and use my Google account to do so. You'll have to agree to the terms and get started, where you can choose a profile picture as well as a username for your profile in producer.ai. So I'm calling myself Beathead and that's it. Now here's where you land. Well, this is a session, and every time you want to create a new one, simply click on this button right here in your sidebar. So the main creation workflow goes like this. You have to chat with your bot and it will help to create music for you. And you're not just prompting pop song. You need to give instruction like this. I want to create a high energy futuristic dance anthem. Make it driving synth pop about the feelings of teleporting into cyberpunk nightclub. Now, there's few things that you need to know before you hit send on this prompt. First off, you can add your audio or any sort of audio, even record one to use that in the music. Or you can even upload an image that can inspire either the lyrics or can be used as the cover image of your song. Next thing is this customization or settings button, which lets you select a few things. Mostly there aren't many options, but check this out. First off, you can customize your producer, but for that, we'll need some points. I'll get back to that later on. Up next, you have the music model, which is Lyra 3 preview, because that's the only music model available right now. Next, you have the ghostwriter, which will write the lyrics for you. And right now, we have only standard available for the free plan, but if you're on a paid plan, you can use the pro ghostwriter as well. Lastly, you have the producer thinking level, which is standard or fast. If you want faster replies, then you can go with the fast one. But I'm going to stick with standard and I'm about to send this message now. See this? It has started creating the sounds, lyrics, and the audio. And if you want to check out any of these, simply click on the sound button. That will open up this sidebar here where you can see full detailed text of what all has gone into the music. Other than that, to check out the lyrics, again, click on that. Now, the song is ready and let's take a preview of both of these.
Discard the heavy weight of mass.
So that was the version 2. Let's check out the version 1.
Ten.
So those were the two versions. Now you can select either version you like best, or you can even make changes to the track itself. It can be minor changes like changing the vocals to a female vocal or changing up the vibe of the music, etc. So let's try it out. All you have to do is simply ask your bot in the chat. Now, I asked it to take the same song and turn it into piano driven pop music. And just hear this.
Drive before I start. The destination is a choice. I am here.
See that completely changed our music, but still kept the lyrics that we were given initially, which is this right here. And the best thing I like about this application is that you can literally give all the instruction in the chart itself and it would make all the changes. You don't have to understand a lot of technical things, but there are a few other features as well, like creating a music video. You can turn your music into videos. So let's try that out, shall we? It is again the same procedure. You'll have to ask in chat like this, and it will give you all the different elements that are to be included in the video. So it has song selection, subject selection, reference, etc, etc. Now you'll have to add in a few details, and if you want a specific character, you can upload an image of that said character to star in the video. So I'm going to add up all these details and then we can check out the music video it created. So I've uploaded an image of my character as well as details, but it says over here that we need a subscription to create music videos. So we are going to drop that for now. It would need about 500 credits. So in case you want to try, you can take a subscription, I guess. Now, about the music that is generated, you have a few options for that as well. You can share it with this link right here or even remix it using where you can either create variations or use prompt to change around the remix. Like this one is also a remix of our maskless version 1 because we changed the music style in this. Other than this, if you check out this side panel, you'll see spaces, and in here if you create a new space, this will give you some ideas on what sort of music can you create, like this right here. So these spaces are not just music engine, they allow you to build functional software logic that interacts with the music engine using natural language. Like let's say in our space chat, we would say a 3D environment or reactive interface that dances to the stems of your track. So now it has asked me a question of what exactly do I want, and I'm going to prove that yes, I do want geometric and abstract shapes. And just like that, it has created a low poly landscape reactive 3D world for our music. Took less than about 2 minutes, and let's check it out by initializing the visualizer. So check this out. It's basically a fun interactive project thing. Alright, lastly, let's talk about our profile. If you see this diamond button right here and you click that, it is your personalization. Now, you can personalize your profile only when you debut, for which you'll require 998 points. And to gain those points, you'll have to finish and complete these actions right here. Next up, you can also add an instruction for your producer to know about you, like your preferred genre, lyric style, skills, what are your expectations, what do you not want in a song, etc. Then there's flow where you can create custom commands, and the command can be like /pop flow, and then you will have to add an instruction. Let me just show it to you. This is a new flow, so you can name it pop flow, and then you'll have to add an instruction of what exactly is this flow supposed to do. Like for example, an instruction is given over here to generate an image, write lyrics about the image in random language, and generate 2 songs. So similarly, you can add in your custom instruction and create your custom flows, these conversations that you had and things that you created together. Lastly, you also have Turntable where you can sample different songs and vote for one that matches the prompt better. This helps boost your personalization. It will give you an idea of how prompts affect music, etc. So here's how it works. You get 2 music samples and you'll have to at least listen to 10 seconds of each of them, then only you can vote. And here you can see the prompt as well. You just have to vote according to you which of these songs has followed the prompt better. It actually helps producer AI to generate better music and also helps you get a knowledge of how prompting works and what sort of effects does prompt make on your song. So check this out. You have to listen, and once you listen to at least 10 seconds of each of them, then you can vote. And I suppose this one was better in my opinion, so that's what I voted. And just like that, you'll get about 10 different songs to vote from. And did you see this? As soon as I voted, my points got increased. Lastly, you can also explore music created by different creators and people. All you have to do is click on this button right here, and then that would play the music. Also, if you click on the music card, you can actually see the prompt or the sounds that were used. And that's about it. That was producer AI for you. So is it better than Suno in 2026? Well, Suno is still the leader of sheer catchiness and viral ready melodies. If you need a finished pop track instantly, however, if you're a musician, a remixer, or a sound designer who needs control over song structure, isolated stems, and ability to build custom tool, Producer AI is the clear winner. Comment down below if you decide to try Producer AI, and I'll see you in the next one.